Yes guys, you guessed it right. It's the iPhone 11 Pro Max 256GB. I know it's not the latest out there, however, I'm upgrading my phone from Galaxy S9 Plus to iPhone 11 Pro Max. I've been using an Android phone for the longest time. Since this is the first time I had an iPhone, that is why I'm very excited to use this phone. So with that said, let's go ahead and unbox this new beast. So there you have it guys, the iPhone 11 Pro Max. This is an additional phone that I'm gonna be using for games and editing videos. If you love this video, don't forget to hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. And ring that bell button for notifications on my future videos. Thank you, bye!